In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to disable Touchpad on PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the touchpad on your PlayStation 4 controller can be used to do certain actions in various different games. Sometimes it can be fun to use, sometimes it gets in the way, and it can get annoying. So you might want to disable it altogether if it isn't important for a specific game that you are playing. So, how can you go about doing this? The very first thing that I need to say is that sadly, as of today, there is no built-in function to disable the touchpad. This means that doing this process on a PlayStation 4 is impossible. Sadly, you cannot simply make sure that this option is unbound on a PlayStation 4 because they don't give you the option to do so. However, on PC, with the use of third-party tools and PS4 Windows, you will be able to assign no action to the touchpad, effectively disabling it. So if you are using your DualShock 4 on a PC, you can do this. However, if you are on a PlayStation 4, then sadly, I don't know of any methods to get this done. If you know of a method, please leave it in the comments. So all that you have to do to properly disable it is to download DS4 Windows. You can find it available on ds4-windows.com, and when you arrive at this page, you can download the latest version of the application. This is very useful because it can also be used to set up your DualShock controllers with games that don't have support, so choose the option to download again, and let this process finish. Once it is downloaded, run the executable that you receive, go to Profiles, and then you can create a new one. They are going to offer to use a preset. I recommend choosing Yes, and then selecting DualShock 4. Once you select DualShock 4, apply, and you will be able to manage the touchpad. So there are 4 main actions. You have the middle here, the left, right, and then the top. So all that you have to do is click on any of these, and then go over to Unbound. If you want to assign a specific action, you can as well, but if you want to disable it, just go to Unbound. And you can repeat this with every single side of the touchpad. So you do the top, you do the left, you do the right, and then you do the middle here. Once everything has been disabled and unbound, the touchpad will effectively be turned off because it won't do any actions. So now you can play freely and you don't have to worry about accidentally sending some inputs through the touchpad. I hope I was able to help you on how to disable touchpad on PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.